Mustang Fastback Complete Restoration and Eleanor Replica Pro Charger 950 horsepower intercooled.
You're going to get 2, give it 150,000, you're going to get 150. 150,000, you're going to get 50, get 150 here, you're going to get 1.
Marty is a 1967 Ford Mustang. This is a Restomod powered by a small block Ford 427 cubic inch V8 engine rated at 700 horsepower. The 4-inch aluminum drive shaft differential. Beautiful example here, the workmanship, the color combination. This is just absolutely the most beautiful Mustang, known as the Blue Boss. The Blue Boss right here. A fabulous example. Everything's custom out, including the in-dash, iPad head unit, custom LED lighting, exterior, interior, candy blue with the silver stripes. A great looking one. Beautiful 67 Ford Mustang.
They have to wait and see. Probably got a brother to call or something. Man, the interior of that car is blowout.